Alright guys, hey, this is Marlon, the New Era Nerd. I just got a pair of new sneakers. These are my first Jordans I've bought in years. And these are the Air Jordan 3 Retro SE. I'm not sure what the SE stands for, but they're also called Animal Instincts. Now these pair of Jordans cost $250. I've never spent this much money. I've never spent this much money on a pair of sneakers in my life. I always thought it was insane, absurd to pay that amount of money, especially for Jordans that are not new in any way, shape, or form. They're retros. They're previously released, colorways and the same colors that I've had before that were selling for $110, half the price. So yeah, it was against my whole code to buy any Jordans is expensive, but Instagram got me, guys. Instagram got me. I was scrolling through Instagram one day and these popped up as an ad. And usually when you see sneakers like these, they're sold out like immediately. They, it's hard to get. You can only get it like through a reseller, but surprisingly, like I clicked the link on the ad and it took me to it, and they were available. They had my size, and so why not give it a shot? So this is gonna be an unboxing and first impressions of these sneakers. And all right, yeah, so I just got them today. They just arrived. They dropped on my doorstep, and I unboxed them. I took the box out of the box, and this is what I found. This is a beautiful box, man. This is a really nice box. It's solid quality. It's not cheap at all. I love the little history, the design. Just flip it around so you can see everything. Yeah, it's a solid box. I love the design. The last pair of sneakers I got that had a really nice box with the Barclays, I forget what they were called, but some Nike Barclays, and they had it was like, I'm not a role model or something underneath it. I still have them, one of my favorite sneakers ever. But let's see what's this about. MJ. Ooh. Sleek packaging. You don't get that. Paper. So first of all, this is the shoe. Okay. I haven't even tried them on. It's the first time pulling them out of the box. When I saw the pictures, I did like the texture, the detail on this sneaker. I was really impressed with it. So let's just dive in a little bit. So yeah, we got some reptile. It's called the Animal Instincts pack. Comes with 2 extra pairs of laces. Like that. I'll definitely switch out the laces to give them some pop. But the material is really high quality. It is really good quality, no lie. I got my wife some sneakers recently, and they had some animal printed from Puma. They were decent too, but it wasn't the leather. It was like, the fur kind of material. And I really liked them. I wanted to get them myself, but I didn't want to copy her style, But this will be good. We could wear these together. She wear hers, and I'll wear with mine. Yeah, the quality on this thing is superb. Superb. I really hope it holds up. I'm the type that actually wears my sneakers, I don't just put them up to resell them. I want to wear these. Simple. Yeah. So that's it. I like the colors, man. These are my type of colors. Black base and some purple color. Alright, let me set this aside. Alright, so we got both of them sitting up here. These are fly, man. These are fly. I usually don't like sneakers with white bottoms right here because they just get dirty real easy and they're plain to clean. But since the rest of the shoe is black, and this beautiful freaking colorway, this beautiful material, oh man. I don't know how people play basketball in these though. These shoes are hard. I don't know. Jordan 3s. How you play basketball? This is not basketball sneakers. Even when you made them, like initially, how do you play basketball in these? It's absurd. But anyway, it's Jordan, right? Probably he could play basketball. Could be a world-class athlete playing in Tim's, so who am I? But yeah, I think these are dope. Alright, I'm gonna try them on, give y'all some on-feet action, and go from there.